Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up charitable donation receipts using Donorbox, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Donorbox website. Log in to your Donorbox account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Donations tab on the dashboard. Click on this tab to view a list of all your received donations. Find the specific donation for which you need a receipt. Next, click on the donor's name or the donation amount to access the detailed donation information. In the Donation Details section, look for the option to generate or view the receipt. Click on the Receipt option to open the receipt in a new window. Once the receipt is visible, you can download it directly to your computer. To do this, find the download icon or link, usually represented as a downward arrow. Click on the download option to save the receipt in a PDF format. Ensure you navigate to your Downloads folder or the location where you save the file. If necessary, rename the file to make it easier to identify. Next, choose a backup method that works for you, such as cloud storage or an external hard drive. For cloud storage, log into your chosen service such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload the downloaded receipt file to the cloud storage account. If using an external hard drive, connect it to your computer via USB. Copy the receipt file from your Downloads folder to the external hard drive. Once the transfer is complete, safely eject the external drive from your computer. It's essential to regularly back up all receipts to ensure they are secure. Consider organizing your backup folder by year or type of donation for easy access in the future. That's it. Your charitable donation receipts are now backed up and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.